The brake pads love to get stuck, as evidenced by a number of threads online and, unfortunately, personal experience. The brake pad is clipped into a vibration dampener that has pads on the back that sit inside the brake caliper. This is a quick and easy problem to solve once you know what to do. We'll show you how to get these brake pads out in the least problematic manner possible. The vibration dampener is a pad that's glued to the back of the brake pad and also holds onto the pad with two tabs. You have a couple of options to get the brake pad and vibration pad assembly out. You can yank and tug on it, and since the vibration pads are stuck inside the brake caliper, you can hope that the vibration pads come out. You risk ruining the rubber membrane inside the brake caliper doing that, and spilling brake fluid everywhere, and ruining the brake caliper and having to rebuild it. And the payoff is that you were thorough and replaced just your vibration dampeners. You can alternatively do what I did and free the brake pad from the vibration pad that's stuck inside the brake calipers, and essentially just reuse the old but perfectly adequate vibration dampeners by leaving the vibration dampeners inside the caliper, with little to no risk and less cost and the same vibration dampening as before. I've driven for 4 months now without a single squeak from my brakes. So, how do we do it? To remove the brake pads, we simply insert a flathead screwdriver and work the brake pad out of the clips on the vibration dampener pad assembly. The pads are held in by clips at the top. We bend away one clip and then the other, and the brake pad comes right out. We'll snip these top clips later when we reinstall the brake pad. If you get lucky and your vibration dampeners aren't stuck, then this is what it should look like when you get it free. You can see the kind of poor condition of my dampeners that I decided to live with. Thus far, without issues. Thus far, without squeaks, using even these. Here's what it looks like also when you finally free the pad by risking your caliper and poking at it and getting the dampeners out, like I did on the first time around. I don't recommend risking it though.